How to add dual clock widget to Android lock screen. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device, and as you do that, scroll down and tap on additional settings. Here select on date and time and then scroll down, and here you can see the option of dual clock. So just toggle on this option over here and then tap on got it. Now as you do that, just go back and make a long press on the home screen, then tap on widgets. As you do that, you can see the option of widget for the clock, so you can just see any of these options. Now in order to enable or add dual clock widget, first of all tap on the settings over here, and under this dual clock select on the second time zone. So I'm going to select a different country over here. I'm going to tap on Australia and select on a particular state and then go back, and as you just refresh it, you'll be able to see that you have added a dual clock widget to Android lock screen. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.